Okay, thank you for sticking by. Welcome, I'm back, and I want to explain what all these are. Mostly here, I'm going to mention the companies, but I also mention what you get. You'll see that some of these are like really good prices, free trials, discounts. So please, when you know someone or when you need to get like a domain, a hosting, please remember my website. It's easy, honestsoul.com, because you really don't have anything to lose. You just come to honestsoul.com and you click on these and go and get. Like right now, I'm going to explain. Sometimes I may have even a special code that you wouldn't find anywhere. Like that free download that I've been giving, you can't find it because I'm a promotional partner where I am. So you find good deals on my website. This website, the intention is this. I want anyone who is doing, especially affiliate marketing, that all the basic tools, all the basic resources you need are over here. You don't have to go from one website to another. You just come here and click and get to what you need. And then also YouTubers, I'm adding some more so that you could come, especially when you're starting out, and you can find what you need. That's the intention. And other business owners, but mostly online people. Okay, that's the purpose of this website. I'm not selling any of these. I'm just promoting. I'm an affiliate marketer. I just sign up with companies. Some programs are paid good money for them to be able to have them on my website. But I'm going to tell you something. I already added some notes, if you see. Right here, that's the last one I'm going to talk about. And I think it's cool. Okay. We have the companies. I have Namecheap, like I mentioned over there. Namecheap, that's why you're going to get the domain and hosting. Like right now, a domain is just $8.88 per year, which is great. And then hosting, I'm actually surprised. I was doing my research. I found right now they're doing at $2.88 a month shared hosting. And then according to them, they put like, there is a most popular one, which is, actually, you get a free month at the beginning. At the beginning, a free month, and then you get $2.88 if you choose that. But there is this what they call the most popular, I think $4.88 a month. Still, all those are good deals. And then the next one, that's Namecheap for domain and hosting, and more. They do more. So when you start off like this, but you discover that they actually do a lot. SSL, all those other things that you need when you have a website. So please. Don't forget, I have Namecheap. Aweber, I've been talking Aweber a lot because I think they have a good deal. When you're starting out this email marketing service, and you can add up to 500 emails free, which is great. When you're starting out, you don't get to 500 so quickly. And like I tell some people who have, especially my Facebook group, who have already started this, I say, you can keep removing names. If people are not opening your emails, why keep them on? You delete them. So these 500 can take you to like a long time. If you're not promoting too much, these 500, you keep removing the ones who are not opening your emails, the ones who are not clicking, and then it's going to be free for a while. So that's Aweber. Then GetResponse is also, they give you one free month, and they charge $15 per month for up to 1,000 emails. If your list is up to 1,000, that's GetResponse. I use both. Some people prefer GetResponse because of they have like I think they are larger. From using them, I feel like they have some more things they do that they don't. But when you're starting out, I think Aweber is great, and GetResponse they both are great. As you use them, you get the feeling of which one you prefer to use. For me, I use them all. I even use ConvertKit too, but I didn't add it on here because I feel like ConvertKit is more for the YouTubers. So if any of you want me to add ConvertKit, I could add it because the YouTubers are giving it a good grade. They think it's better than this. I don't know why yet, because for me, I found that ConvertKit setting up is a little bit different. They use words differently from what we're used to. That's a negative I found, but they have other advantages. Like, for example, unsubscribe for them means something else. So I found it confusing at the beginning, but you get used to it. Because for us, we know unsubscribe, someone just unsubscribed, but actually that's not what it means over there. So that's a side thing. You know me, I talk too much, sorry. So that's get response. Those are emails providers, service providers, and autoresponders, those automated emails. You need this or that. ClickFunnels, I talk ClickFunnels a lot. ClickFunnels for funnels. They have a 14 days trial. And after that, after the trial, the minimum is 97 for ClickFunnels. You have to pay 97. That's a starter plan, but it's great. And then in future, I haven't added this yet on my website, but they have offer. It's called One Funnel Away. Maybe online you hear them saying, oh, you're one funnel away, one funnel away. That one, I attended it already. I have, I'm allowed to promote it. So I'll add that a little bit later. If you are creating a product, you want to have your own product and promote it, I suggest you put it in a funnel. And then you will have to go through this. It costs $100. I think soon I'll add that on, I'll mention when I add it on my website. They have it like maybe 3 times a year. They don't have it all the time. The One Funnel Away challenge, I think there's one that's ending right now. It keeps coming because it takes like 5 weeks to go through the challenge. But if you are someone who's thinking about creating a product, your own product, it's great because they're going to show you how to put it in a funnel and you're going to do really, really well. So that's ClickFunnels. Spreezy, I talked about Spreezy, promoting your videos. You start off at $50. And when you do that, when you suggest someone else, you recommend someone else, they give you 100 free views. That's Spreezy. I have Spreezy. Then TubeBuddy, that's for tags and keywords. And if you want to, if you have TubeBuddy on your channel, it's going to help you a lot with keyword tags, research, keyword research, and other things. A lot, actually, depending on the level you are at. But here, they are saying, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, right now the Start Pro, what they call Start Pro, it costs $9 per month. But if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, they'll give you at 50% off, which is great. If you have $4.50 a month to spend, it's going to help you with keyword research and tags when you're promoting your videos, shows you where you rank, and it's really great. I use it, it's great. So that's for, and they give you a free trial, this TubeBuddy. And then we come here, Morrison Publishing. You hear me talk about partner with Anthony. That's Morrison's Publishing. And $7 starter. But then they have this other one. When you become an ambassador, then you are able to promote all their programs. And one of them, you could earn up to $997. That's for serious people. I have Morrison, I have that program, the ambassador, on my website too. If you want to go, but you can start here. You start with Partner with Anthony. You could go straight here, but I think this is a good program to start on. Then he introduces the other one. But some people just come straight, especially those gurus. They don't have time to waste on this one. They just go straight to promote. So that's the ambassador. I have that. Then this last one. Remember, this last one is called 4%. And it's the reason I'm here on YouTube. Because of Vic. Vic is the one who said, any one of you who wants to be in business, you're going to start being on video, on camera. He kept stressing it. Some people did it. For me, I came much, much later. So I'm very proud of this company. 4%. That's the one that offered a free download recently. I was giving a free download, and because I've invested a lot of my money in this 4%, most programs, you have to own them. Before you can promote it, you have to own it. So for me to offer you that free download, for those people who downloaded it, not everyone can offer it. It's because I'm a promotional partner in this company. But now, remember I said at last, the last thing I'm going to mention, recently, he decided to help out some people. You can come in free without paying anything. And when you come in free, there's a site for free members, things you can see. Sometimes he has sometimes he comes on and off, but he comes live and teaches lessons. If you really want to learn online marketing, business, become a real online entrepreneur, that's the place. And he does it on a different level. So the reason I said stick around, if you're watching me, of course you are still here. I'm putting a link below in the description below this video. And you can create a free account in this 4%. And you can access the free area, you'll see. But the other thing he introduced, there's what he calls ITA. I showed it on the computer. Internet Traffic, ITA Internet Traffic Academy. This Traffic Academy is a program that teaches all the basics about traffic on the internet marketing. So, right now, if you become a free member, by the way, I don't benefit from this. I'm just telling you what's going on over there. Because for me, I had to buy that program to even have it on my website. But he's saying now, even without owning it, you can promote it. You can promote it and you earn 30%, and the 30% comes to $599.10. $599. This is for serious marketers though. It's not, if you are good, you can do it. You can try if you have, some people who are like business, and this is really to help them with traffic. But it's cost $1997, I think, right now. It's $1997. Although sometimes they have specials. Remember, I keep mentioning that there are specials. You could just hang around and wait when there's a special and then go promote. Your discount will be less. Your commission will be less. But at least you will earn something. Because if you eye it and you keep watching him when he comes out, he send out emails. Once you have your free account, he'll send out an email and say, oh, today let's hang out or something like that. Make sure you attend. He may say, you know what, I have a special this week. You can sell this at this discount. You go promote, you tell your people, they buy, you earn. You may earn less than this. This is the full price. You earn $599.10 when you sell it at full price. But he could drop the price to like $9.97. Still, you get your 30%. So that's the promise I made, that you could promote without putting in anything, which is great. Because for us, we had to buy every single program. Every single program we are promoting, I had to invest in it. But now there's that opportunity to promote without paying anything. So I'll put a link below. I'll also put a link to my website, but you can still see it here. It's honestsouls.com. You can go. Try not to, even if you don't put the www, we solved the problem, by the way. It's not there anymore, but still, I just put honestsouls.com. It's easy. You can go take a look. Please, anyone you know looking for a domain. Oh, there's something I forgot to mention. If you are on YouTube, if you are doing any kind of business, please pay for your domain. Because what happens, see, like me, my name is Sherifa Nakale, or this company, Honest Souls. If you don't go and buy your own domain before someone else buys it, someone could just watch you, like watch your channel and see. Or could be, some people are just smart. They just go checking. They see you, oh, you have more followers, they go and buy your name. Like I'm Sherifa Nakale, someone goes and buys sherifanakale.com. I already bought mine. I don't have a website yet for it, but I bought it because I know. Someone buys your name, and to get it from them, like when it's time you want to go do a website, you go, they say it's taken. You say, who took it? This is my name. Someone took it. Because when you go to buy a domain, whatever is available, you are able to buy. They don't ask you, do you own it? Do you create it? No. So please, this is $8. You just buy a domain. You don't buy hosting. You just buy $8.88 and keep it. It's yours. So when it's time to have your own website, you will find it available. Otherwise, people take it. Let me tell you a story. I said I will tell a story. I'll tell you a story. I used to sell personalized books, and I used to have Honest Soul. I used to call it sellingbooks.com. It's mine. It was my own creation. So I don't remember what was going on. So the company I bought it, you have to pay every year to renew the domain. So I don't know what happened. It was supposed to be automated. I don't remember, but I was late, a little bit late, like 1 day or 2 days. To go pay for it, I couldn't pay for it. It was gone. And they were saying to me, if you want it, it's in Australia. I said, who owns my domain in Australia? I created this. Someone came, because they keep looking for those that are expired, and they buy them. They were asking me to buy it back for $4,000. I said, what? I lost it. So I lost that domain. I had to drop the whole website and start over. Can you imagine that? But at that time, I had 2 websites, so it was easy. I just gave up on the other. It was selling good. I talk about promoting on Amazon.com. I was promoting that domain. I lost it. So some things I'm sharing here, please take them. They are serious lessons. Go buy your domain. It's only $8. And please use my website. Go through, when you go to domains, go buy it and make sure you booked it. Or they're going to sell you your own name for $5,000, depending on how big it will be. Because it could be big, they'll sell it more. Okay, that's my video today. There's a link below. Go open up an account for 4%.com, because even if you don't promote this, you still see good information. Assuming you are one of those people who want to build business and learn a lot. These are gurus we are learning from. I'm introducing them to you. Please go take this opportunity. And like I always end my videos, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. Take a step to better you. But don't forget to leave a comment and also to subscribe and all the things we do. Share. Don't forget to always remember my website, honestsolve.com. Bye-bye.